Are you looking for a delicious, quick salmon recipe the whole family enjoy? Then this is the video for you. Don't forget, if you're using the video today, there are links in the description below for the best place to get those barbecue products. Make sure you check those out at the end of this video. Hi, well fans, so today we're going to be grilling the most delicious salmon recipe you've ever tasted. Now what I love about this recipe is there's no need for marinating. The flavours are so intense, they're perfect for coating, baking and eating. Smothered with so much flavour, there's only two main ingredients. So let's dive straight into it. Well, so for today's recipe, there's a few tools you're going to need. So you can use a Weber QWare pan. You're going to need a trivet for that indirect heat. And if you haven't got a Weber QWare pan, you can use just a normal baking tray. So let's jump in and check out the ingredients. Today we're going to be using some salmon fillets, skin removed, and these are 250 grams, so normally 3 to 6 pieces depending how thinly they cut. Now for our ingredients, we've got some freshly chopped parsley. We're going to be using 1 lemon and 3/4 of a cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, some asparagus. Now we're going to finely chop our parsley. Then we're going to transfer that to a bowl and we're going to add 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. So normally around 6 cloves. Now we're just going to evenly coat our salmon with the garlic and parsley. Then we're going to coat that with 1/3 of a cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Spray with some olive oil, season with salt and pepper. Place your asparagus around the outside and then place a slice of lemon on each piece of salmon. Don't forget, if you're using the video today, there are links in the description below for the best place to get those grilling products. So make sure you check those out at the end of this video. Right, so enjoy that quick, easy recipe and it'll be a big hit with the family. If you're not a fan of asparagus, I've never tried it before, but it worked really, really well and the flavours just infused from that salmon and the lemon and the garlic just worked a treat. Now you can do it with pasta as I did. Now if you want to cut the perfect steak, check out this video. If you want a scallop recipe, check out this video. And thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.